This feels awesome, bro.
It's like a round shield.
Yeah. Nice. All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. FLY&RIDE here. It is another cold morning here in New Jersey. It's supposed to be spring, but it's about, well, this says 55, but the weather says 39 and 40 degrees. I've got the heated gear on. I'm on my 2024 DUCATI Pikes Peak. A few of the boys are getting together for a nice morning ride, and then we're going to go check out a nice, relatively local spot. I got the 360 Insta Ace Pro, that's what you're using here. If you're new to the channel, I'm FLY&RIDE, and I focus on motovlogs, ride videos, ride reviews. I've got 3 motorcycles to the F&R garage. This one, obviously, a 2022 BMW R1250 GS, and a Harley 2020 Street Glide CVO. I feature cinematic drone footage, and we do everything here on the channel: product upgrades, product reviews, testing out different bikes, destination rides like we're doing here this morning. So if you like this kind of content, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification. I just got my my gas warning here. We're gonna fill up here this morning. I'm continuing to break in this bike. So again, it should be a fun video, fun ride. At least the weather's nice, despite the fact it's a little chilly. So enjoy. All right. So this is going to change soon, because you need the key to gas up this baby, which makes no sense. So I've got a nice upgrade. It'll be one of the first upgrades we do. We're going to upgrade that gas cap. Figure this out here. There you go. Nice and closed. Yeah, this whole key thing. It's like this thing has got the most advanced technology, but they leave a key for the gas. I don't know what's going on here, Ducati. Got my heated gear on today. Last time I went for a ride and it was this temperature, I freaking froze. Got it on touring mode. Let's put it on sport. Have some fun. Let's roll. we just stopped for breakfast at a nice spot. And I'm taking the boys on some nice backcountry roads. Sammy, I'm gonna sit. This feels awesome, bro. So check out Sammy's beautiful, beautiful bike. T-bar setup. Look how nice that setup is. Look at that. Absolutely, and look at that carbon fiber. This blue is beautiful. Whew. Oh yeah. I'm good. Absolutely beautiful. It sounds awesome. Check out that new trash cover he just installed there. Super nice. Look at this nice nice turnout. This is Sammy's uncle Manny. That bike is freaking awesome. Look how nice that looks. Ready? Alright, I'm going to try to get ahead of them up here and then just turn around and give you a nice shot of all those bikes. Look at that thing, freaking cool. Very cool. Man, this bike is such a blast. I gotta wait for the boys. Nowhere to be found. There we go, I see them. So do me a favor, if you're liking this kind of content, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content like this one. Look at that lineup. Yep.
Oh my God, really hot with the heat here.
Yeah.